Hi, welcome to King Motors. You've clicked the link to our 2019 VW Passat diesel automatic estate. I'm going to take you out for a spin it now, show you some of the nice touches and functions about it, just what's unique about it, and there's a lot of really nice spec on this car, so we'll try and walk through it all. Other than that, there's a link in the video's description. Should you find it on YouTube or something, you just click it, it takes you back to the ad and gives you the actual specific details of the car, some that I'll no doubt miss in a small clip like this. While you're on YouTube, don't forget to like and subscribe. And finally, I just want to put the price here as to what you can finance this car for from through us, should you choose to. So here we are out in the Passat, and your first impressions of this car quite quickly, as soon as you sit in it, is that everything is extremely well made, very precise, you know, everything fits together absolutely spot on. All the tactile surfaces are soft, everything you touch is of the highest quality. Like all the inlay into the dash and stuff is real aluminium, all the bezels around here are real aluminium. The steering just feels heavy and right, very Volkswagen-y, I suppose, for want of a better expression. And I suppose that brings me to my next point, where I must eat some crow. I do a lot of giving out about the VAGE group because we sell a lot of Skodas, and the Skodas come with such spec on them, and then we get the odd Golf in and they just seem so bare and so minimum by comparison, and they're a more expensive machine. Well, this particular car, when someone spec'd it new, they kind of put everything on it, so it really does come with a lot of stuff. This one, we've got the big 10-inch infotainment display in the middle, which is really very, very quick to react. A nice thing to use, actually, very, very good. It's got Sat-Nav, full Bluetooth phone connectivity. We've got the parking sensors with the 360 grid around them. We have wireless phone charging. However, there is one caveat on that. For my own phone, which is an iPhone 12 Plus thing, the bigger ones, it doesn't fit into the slot, but it's there if you have the smaller phone. And the other thing it has is it has radar cruise control, which is a fabulous option on them. Radar cruise is just the best thing ever for going up and down motorways, in my opinion. It just takes all the stress out of it. The car speeds up and slows down as the traffic in front of you does it all by itself, and it will emergency brake for you the whole lot. Like, so it's quite a good system. Other than that, then we've got the DSG Gearbox in it, which anyone who knows anything about automatic gearboxes or the DSG stuff, you know that it's a really, really competent gearbox. It's really smooth, really quick, always in the right gear, basically. It's as good as the ZF 8-speed in the BMWs, in my opinion. Maybe the ZF just beats it ever so slightly, but that's just my bias, I suppose. Other than that, then, the car itself is cavernous. Once you open the boot, and it's absolutely enormous. Load down the seats in it, and there's very few cars as large as this nowadays. This Passat, this model Passat, seems to have moved into the segment where the Audi A6 would have sat a few years ago, so it's quite a physically big machine, but a lovely, lovely car. That's kind of it about the car, I suppose. I'll move on quickly from the car on to us, just to let you know who we are if you're doing any sort of traveling to come and see us. We were one of the first ever second-hand dealers to be an SIMI dealer, and now we're an AA approved dealer on top of that. The AA approval allows us to offer up to 2 years warranty on all the cars, and all the cars get a 101-point pre-sale check before they go out. Other than that, what it really says for us is, you know, the AA thing is quite a feather in our cap, as they're very brand protective. You won't just find anyone being allowed to be an AA brand ambassador, so it kind of says a lot for us. Also, we've got 50 odd plus 5-star Google reviews, so we'd love you to read them and see how other people got on with us. But that's kind of it. I'm going to wrap the video up there, and I just want to say thanks for watching it. We appreciate you taking the time to do it. Hopefully it showed you some of the nice things about the car, who we are, what you can expect from us when you come to meet us. And that's it though. Yeah, again, I want to say thanks, and hopefully we will see you soon.